have to add complicated expressions like these that have variables and you're supposed to add them, and what are you going to do? You don't remember on the test. Do I add the tops and the bottoms or what? Well, what I always recommend is just looking at it from like numbers perspective. Like what would have happened if these were just numbers? Notice how the bottoms are the same, right? And imagine that you are talking about pizza. Let's say you have 1/3 of a pizza, and then you add 2/3 of a pizza. What is that going to do? Like, what are you doing? Well, first of all, the bottoms are the same, which is just like here. And then you know that 1/3 and 2/3 would be 3/3, right? Because you would just add the tops, but keep the same bottom. It's not going to be 3/6, right? It's not going to be 3/6, because that would be 1/2. That doesn't make sense, right? Because this is 1/3 and 2/3 is supposed to be 1. Okay, what that means is that you are just going to add the tops, but keep the bottom the same. You don't double it, you don't add it, okay? And the bottoms must be the same, otherwise you won't be able to add it like this. Because, for example, if you were to try to add 1/3 plus 1/2, you can't directly add them, right? How you can do that? That's not going to be 2 over what, right? So we'll talk about that later, but again, if the bottoms are the same, you simply add the tops, okay? And that means that on the bottom, I'll just keep the same exact bottom, don't double, don't do anything. On the top, you can just put 5x plus 9. Now, at this point, you got to ask yourself, can I further simplify this? Can I maybe factor something out? But the thing is 5x plus 9, 5 and 9 don't share anything. So you can't really cancel it. And then at the plus sign, you never ever cancel. Like if I see an X on the top, X on the bottom, can I cancel? No, absolutely not, because you have a plus sign there. You can only cancel when it's multiplication, okay? So you can just leave it just like that.